Jazzie here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to create these really pretty, really volumizing curls without having to apply heat. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to create this hairstyle using nothing but Flexirods, which is so crazy because these curls are really on point and they are bomb.com. So if this is something you're interested in watching, then please stay tuned. Before I jump right into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell as well, so every time I upload a video, you won't miss out on any of my content. Alright you guys, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the tutorial.
To start off, you're going to need 2 packs of 7/8 inch Flexirods, and I wasn't able to find the size at my Sally's beauty supply store, but I was able to find them at my local beauty supply for $5 each. When working with this Kinky straight unit, I found it a lot easier to work in sections. This hair was sent to me from Nguvu hair, and I used 3 bundles and a frontal to create this unit, and all the details of this hair will be down in the description box. Make sure you guys check it out if you're interested. For each section of hair, I'm able to apply 3 to 4 Flexirods, give or take depending on how big the section is, but I wanted to keep the volume without having to compromise for the curls. And when I start, I like to start off at the bottom of the hair, making sure that all the hair is flat when I'm wrapping it around the Flexirods. If you have shorter hair, I would recommend using smaller Flexirods if you're trying to achieve the same look. To get the Flexirods to stay in place, I just wrap the ends under each other and make sure the curl is secure and isn't going to fall. Once the whole head is complete, I let this sit for a few days, and if you don't have that type of time to wait, I suggest you dip the Flexirods in hot water so the hair can form and dry around the Flexirods a lot quicker. When it was time for me to take the hair down, I took each Flexirod down individually and I went back to finger detangle each curl into 3 pieces and to add volume and definition to the hair. The texture of this hair really made the style stand out. These Kinky straight bundles still allowed the hair to hold a curl without removing the texture from the hair. I'm not too sure if you guys will be able to see, but if you look super close, you will see that this hair still has a lot of texture. Alright, so as you guys just seen, the last thing that I did to this wig was I combed it out with a wide tooth comb. Now since I filmed the tutorial, I actually have worn this wig out and I've been getting so many compliments on this wig, you guys. I showed this wig to both my sisters and my mom. I'm like, you guys, my birthday is right around the corner. I know what I'm wearing for my birthday, you guys. I went online buying outfits specifically to wear with this hair. Like, I am in love with the results on how it turned out. Now, obviously, it does look a little flat, and that is because your girl couldn't keep her hands out of this hair, you guys. When I tell y'all, this hair is just so soft, and it's just so thick, and it is so easy to detangle. I just keep running my fingers through it, fluffing it up, fluffing it out, so that way, you know, it can just be bigger and fuller and have more volume to it. But honestly, I feel like when I first took the Flexirods out, it was more uniformed, and the curls were all going in at least some type of direction. Now, they're just going whatever way they want to go, honey. They're just like, whatever. But yeah, I think it's still really cute. Honestly, you guys, I think I might wash it and do this over again with the Flexirods so that way I can keep it uniformed. And honestly, I might actually use some, what is it called? Hairspray. I might use some hairspray to keep the curls in place because I don't like how quick they dropped, but I think it has something to do with how long this hair is, which reminds me, if you guys are interested in finding out more about this hair that I used to make this wig, to create this hairstyle, I have all the information down in the description box. Make sure you guys check that out if you guys are interested in buying bundles yourself to create this hairstyle. Honestly, you guys, I'm wearing this for my birthday. I don't care. I don't care. I've already ordered outfits. I have so many events that's coming up that I'm gonna wear this hair to. Honestly, I think it's cute now that it has fallen, but I think I prefer it better when it's freshly done. I mean, who doesn't like their hair when it's like freshly done? If you're trying to recreate this style at home and your hair is not as long as this unit was, I definitely would recommend trying to use smaller Flexirods, or if you have shorter hair altogether, I would say using smaller Flexirods would help you create the same look with not having, you know, just waves going everywhere if you try to use the 7/8 or 1 inch Flexirods. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys do, that really helps me out here on YouTube. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, like always, make sure you guys leave them down in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I will catch you guys in another video.